everybody, home in Michigan today, and I got a special project that's going on. I've got my new truck behind me, and the team from Ruff Tuff has flown in to install the new seat covers. The last couple vehicles I've had, I've been fortunate to have Ruff Tuff seat covers on them, and they are durable, tough, and made in the US. Now these are ones that you can install yourself, and I'm fortunate enough to have the guys here today. So we're gonna let the guys do the install today and hear from the professionals the best way and all the hidden secrets to install your Ruff Tuff seat covers.
So we've done a perforated soft touch as the insert, we diamond quilted it, and then we've done a soft touch trim to give them that leather feel still. When you're doing your install, take your time, lay out your pieces, get it on there nice and snug so it doesn't move around as you're sliding in and out of your truck. Once you do that, you don't have to take them off ever again. They're gonna last you a long time.
Well, the guys just finished up installing the seat covers, and wow, do they look amazing. I think they look better than what the truck did beforehand. I'm excited because they're tough and durable, just like the last couple I've had them. They go through my active lifestyle, which is pretty crazy. Thank you for coming out and here installing. Now, I know for everybody else that goes and orders off your website, like what kind of advice do you have for them installing?
So each piece, when you order off our website, each piece will be labeled. So follow the pieces and the labeling on each piece. Take your time, snug them down, make sure they're tight, and then on the back of the label of each piece there's a QR code that leads you to our website, installation instructions, installation videos to make it a little bit easier on you.
Make sure to go and check out rufftuff.com. Best seat covers made.